Hello guys, welcome back. If you want to study a book in NotebookLM but you don't know how to do, so I will explain clearly today. If you're the one who loves to study by using NotebookLM, this method will help you for that. Okay, so go ahead to your NotebookLM first and try to create new notebooks here. And then you need to give your PDFs, and you can also put the websites or drive file as well. Those are related with your study. So just choose a file that you want to study. So if I want to study this one is the mathematics. So if I want to study this sports, how can I do? So just send all the material that need for that kind of topic or that kind of book. And after successfully uploading your document, you can ask help from your NotebookLM. So, if I want to summarize for each chapter, and it will help you for that. Okay, so let's right here. So it's now outlining sections and summarizing for each chapter as well. So you can just read the summaries of your file at the same time. In some cases, if you want to practice on your book, if you want to use for your exams or whatever, you can also ask to create quiz. So if you want to get viewers and median hearts, just try to generate. And wait for a while until it's finished, and now it's generating quiz. So after finishing, you will be able to do quiz on your own. And if you don't understand about the concept, you can also ask flashcard. If you want to memorize for some kind of topic, you can also ask help from flashcard. And here you can also insert your prompt as well, what kinds of flashcard you want. So for final exam, like 1 mark, and you will be able to send to generate. And the flashcard will be also generated on your own. So after finishing, you can be able to study on your own with your quiz or flashcard easily. So that's how to study a book in NotebookLM, guys. I hope this will help you a lot if you are a student who want to study through NotebookLM. So that's all for today, guys. I hope this will help you a lot, and thank you so much. See you back.